300 years, and I'm the first Viking who wouldn't kill a dragon.
First to ride one, though.
Consuming all the air inside my lungs, ripping all the skin from off my bones. I'm prepared to sacrifice my life, I would gladly do it twice. Consuming all the air